Hello everyone, welcome back. This is the day 2 of the assignment of Google AI Agent Intensive Program. हमारा आज का टास्क जो है सबसे पहले हमें यही समरी पॉडकास्ट को हमें सुनना है या हम उसे पढ़ सकते हैं फ्रॉम हेयर फ्रॉम दिस लिंक. सो if you really want to learn about it, go to the podcast or go to the white paper and read about it. Let's directly go to the lab. Today also we have to complete two labs. The first is we have to add some tools for extending some of the tasks of our AI agent that we created yesterday. And on the second lab, we will learn about MCP and long running operations. Okay, so on clicking this explore button, you will come to the day 2A lab. Um, Here we will do the same thing. Click on here edit and copy option, and you will come to this page. What you have to do here is go to the add-ons. When you will go to add-ons, go to secrets. You will see your API key here. Click on the checkbox, and yeah, you can use your yesterday's API key here too. And just run all the codes. Run all the codes, okay? Today I didn't encounter any error like yesterday, so I think they have fixed the issue. So you can see I have run all the program. You will see the warning, but this warning is nothing. You can ignore it. The program is still running. You can see here, there is the output. And if you wanna learn about it, you wanna read about it, so you can learn from here. They have explained it, and you can see some of them are not showing output. It's because there is not a single print option, not a single print line. Okay, not a single print line is there, so it is not showing anything, but the code is running perfectly. So you just have to do this. You just have to run all the codes and read about it. And what you can see here is you do not have to submit it. Okay, you just have to run it, you just have to learn. No submission is required, just like yesterday. And the same thing goes for the second lab. When you come on the second lab, click on edit and copy, go to the second day to B, and the same thing you have to do here. Go on add-ons, add your API key, click this checkbox, and you will be using the same API key as yesterday. No need to create a new one. And then run all the codes. You just have to run all the codes, and that's it for today. Yeah, you just have to run all the codes, nothing else. See, the today all the codes are running perfectly. You will just encounter some of the warnings like this, but the code is running perfectly fine. You can see resumable app created. The same goes here to runner created, and then the section 4 you can read it. You see, not a single print line is there, so there is no output. There is no output. There is no. Oh, see, here the print line is here, so you can see the output. Helper functions defined, and just you have to do it. See, this is where we were encountering the error yesterday. Await function. Today you will only see the warning, but you can see the output. Here is this output. Agent user is the output. Here agent user is the output. Agent is the output. And when you come here, you will see that you have completed everything. The second lab is also complete. You just have to do this. You just have to run all the codes, but remember to add your API key. It might ask you to log in also, because it asked me to log in. I was logged out. I don't know why, but I was logged out. So before executing any code, log into your Kaggle account and run all the codes. On second lab, also there is no submission required, so you just have to run all the code, learn about it, and that's it for the today's assignment. There is nothing more to do. And you should learn about this. You should read all the things. You should read about MCP. You should read about how to add more into the your AI agents, how to use most of it. And yeah, the Gemini API key that you have created, use it on your projects. It will really help you out. And yeah, just go through this. Just don't run all the codes. Read about it. What are custom tools? See building custom function tool. Here this they have shown you the flowchart also. How to define a tool. ATK, everything is there. So just run the code and read about it, and you will understand everything. That's it for today. Thank you.